Dear students, today we will study in short about the First World War. Before going towards the defeat of Russian army and impacts of the First World War, first of all I would like to show you some of the background of First World War. See, what was the alliance system? Alliance means an agreement between countries to support each other. So by 1907, there were two major defense alliances in Europe. The Triple Entente, later known as the Allies, consisted of France, Britain, and Russia. So a triple agreement was there between France, Britain, and Russia. The Triple Alliance, later known as the Central Powers, consisted of Germany, Austria-Hungary and Italy, then soon joined by the Ottoman Empire. Let's see in the next, I am showing you with the map. See here. This is the German Empire. Just you see here this German Empire, Austria-Hungary, Ottoman Empire. These three countries, these three nations are the allied power, central powers. See, you can consider this is central power. This whole is the central power. These three nations are the central powers in orange. Okay, then you come to the next allied powers. See here, Russia, Britain, France. These three nations, they had an agreement. These were the alliance powers. And this is the central power. At last, after the First World War, what happened? As this central power is in between, you can see the map, is in between. In the end, this central power was defeated in the First World War because it was in the center. And what these countries were attacked by France from here, Great Britain from here, from Russia from here, Russia again from here. Then what happened? This Germany, Austria-Hungary and Ottoman Empire were defeated very badly. But in the beginning, what happened? When the war started, that time Germany was very much powerful. So this Germany, what it did, it started its attack from this side also. It started its attack from this side also. Though it weakened Germany afterwards, because if the troops will go in east and west, then definitely German empire will become weak. And what happened in Russia? Germany was extremely powerful in the beginning, and it gave much harm to the Russian Empire from all sides, from Austria-Hungary also, from Ottoman Empire also, from all these sides. The Russian Empire became very much weak. There were so much attacks and people died. Russia suffered a lot in this war. Now come to the next. I am repeating the whole one time again. In August 1914, see in this, the allied nations were Russia, France and Britain in the beginning, and central powers were Austria-Hungary, Germany. Then in 1914, Japan also joined the allied nations with France and Russia and Britain, and that side in central powers, Turkish, the Ottoman Empire joined them. Then in allied powers, you see Italy, Romania. Afterwards in 1917, USA also joined. These all countries joined till 1917. And in 1918, Soviet Russia left the war and signed a peace treaty with Germany. With whom Russia signed a peace treaty with Germany because Russia suffered heavy losses in First World War. This was the condition of Russian army, and it was extremely shocking, and the Russian army lost its confidence before the First World War ended. Now come to the First World War and the Russian Empire once again. This was at a glance. I have shown you the Russian with the map, the First World War.